Hey guys, in this video, we are going to learn how you can publish your app and make it accessible to everyone. For this video, I have already built an app on Blink. It's an AI data insights platform that provides data insights based on the information you provide. Let's publish this. Think of your Blink workspace like a movie set. At a movie set, you're filming, editing, and reshooting again. Publishing is when you release your film for the whole world to see. Once you hit publish, your app gets its own live URL, something like this. And this URL stays live even when you're not here and when the browser tab isn't open. Alright, let's publish our app. Up here in the top right corner, click the blue publish button. This opens your publishing panel. The first thing you'll do is choose a web address for your app. I'm going to call mine AI Data Insights and I'm going to click on the tick mark. This is going to update the URL. Now you can click Deploy Now to publish your app. Blink is now getting your app ready and putting it online. This usually takes about a minute, so don't worry if it's not instant. And that's it, your app is officially live. You now have a public link that you can copy and share with anyone. They can open your app on their phone or computer anytime, even after you've closed Blink. The best part is that you can continue improving your app whenever you want. Your users won't see any of those changes until you click publish again, so you're always in control of what's live. And just like that, you have taken your app from your workspace to a live app that anyone in the world can use.